Coral Gold Resources Limited. Nevada's Cortez Trend represents one of the world's richest gold regions. Coral Gold has known that for more than 25 years, ever since its first exploration in the area with legendary geologist Dr. Ralph Roberts. And each new phase of exploration proves just how much potential their Robertson Project in Nevada has.
Robertson is in the same geological region as Cortez Hills and has similarities on the surface, so there is potential to find a Cortez Hills type discovery on the Robertson.
I don't really know of an area that today is more exciting than what we see here. Our property contains probably in the neighborhood of 3.5 million ounces of indicated ore.
Coral Gold's Nevada property immediately adjoins Barrick's Pipeline Mine, one of the world's lowest cost gold producers, expected to yield more than 1 million ounces at cash costs between $295 and $315 per ounce. And Pipeline's open pit is just half a mile south of Coral's Robertson Project.
Being not far away from the famous Pipeline Mine, which it was producing when it started over 1 million ounces at what, less than $50 an ounce. I mean, it's a money machine. Okay? You can hit a long driver from our property right onto their open pits.
When we did our deep drilling in 2007, we intersected gold, anomalous gold values in lower plate limestones. So our geology is very similar to that of both the Pipeline and the Cortez Hills areas.
Coral has other properties surrounding the Pipeline project, and they all have great potential.
Geology, location, drilling, and testing all point to tremendous potential for Coral's Robertson property. The state of Nevada is another major asset. Its political stability, infrastructure, and skilled nearby workforce are almost as important for Coral's success as the mineral deposits in the ground.
Could be in Africa, South America, Russia, so on. But here you've got paved roads, power lines, 350. Well, it's now over $1 billion plants and what's going on there. I don't know of a more exciting place in the world to be.
It's also got great infrastructure. You're never very far from a center. For example, we operate our Robertson property out of Crescent Valley, which is a very small center. We're only an hour's drive from Elko, which is a major center. It's got an airport, etc. Also, power, electric power, etc. There's a power line, for example, which runs right across our property. You drive under the power line to access the gold deposits. That's the power line that supplies power to the Cortez operations. So, and again, you're dealing with a local workforce that are entirely skilled in all aspects of gold mining. So, heavy equipment is readily available.
Then there's the state of the industry in Nevada. Major mining operations already see declines in the resources they're extracting. The region's gold production has dropped significantly in the last 3 years. Acquiring a developed operation close by is a very attractive option.
There's gold all over the place in there, and our property is maybe only 40 or 50% developed. We don't know how much is there. And you get into different geological formations, and again, when you look at, and I'm not a geologist, what the potential is, I would say it's hardly been scratched.
You want to advance the deposits, advance the quality of your assets, in other words, move it up to actual reserves, and then sell this to one of the big gold producers, Goldcorp, Barrick, Newmont, Kinross, etc., all of whom are interested, all of whom visit the property.
As major mining companies deplete their existing mines, they're going to look for replacement ounces for their operations. We have 3.5 million ounces of gold directly beside their operation, so Coral will be a prime takeover target.
Coral Gold Resources Limited,